Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's still your baby girl Ifeoma. Thank you all for always coming back here. If you're a new subscriber on this channel, you're very much welcome. Okay, so guys, on today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this needle and the yarn cornrow for my daughter. Yes guys, this is easy and fun to do. Yes guys, you don't need to learn how to cornrow before you can do this. All you need is your needle and the yarn thread or wool, and you're good to go guys. So please stay tuned. Okay, let me show you guys how I was able to do this. Okay guys, so first you grab your wool, then cut the length that you'll be using. Use scissors and cut out the length, and once that is done, you bond the tip of the wool and use your finger to flatten it. This is to help it pass through the needle. And once that is done, I'll go ahead and section my daughter's hair into 4 parts because of the style I will be making on her. But you can always make any style of your choice. Yes guys, sorry guys, the first one I did, a call came into my phone, so I didn't know that the video stopped recording. So after sectioning the part of the hair you will be working with, you make a space in the middle and place the yarn thread inside it and cover it with the hair. Then don't use the sharp end of the needle in doing this. Use the head so you don't pierce your daughter's hair or whoever you're making the style on. Pass the needle from one end to the other end. Yes, do this twice, from this end to the other end. This is to secure it. This is to secure the beginning. And once this is done, now look at how we'll be stitching the hair from one end to the middle. Then you bring out the wool. Then you pass the needle from the other end, from this end to the middle again, and you bring out the wool. Now you don't have to be passing the needle from one end straight down to the other end. No, you don't do that. What you do is you pass the needle from one end to the middle and from the other end to the middle. Okay, like from the right hand side to the middle. You see? Then from the other side, let's say this is left hand side, to the middle again. You see? This is how you stitch the hair. Then you pass it again from the other end to the middle. Then continue doing this as you move. Okay? You continue to pass it from one end to the middle, then from the other end to the middle. And please, while doing this, don't give too much gap. Yes guys, don't give too much gap, because if you do, hairs will be coming out and it won't be beautiful. It won't be a neat work. So please don't give too much gap. Okay guys, so we keep moving. You pass from the left to the middle, then from the right to the middle. Yes, this is how it goes. Guys, this is super easy to do and it's also fun to do, guys. I enjoyed doing it. Believe me, I really enjoyed doing this. And one good thing about this method is that you don't need to learn how to cornrow before you can do this. No, you don't need to. All you need is your needle and your wool or yarn thread. Then you're good, guys. I hope I explained this very well. I hope. But you know, because I'm using a black wool on a black hair, that's why it is like it's not showing clearly. But guys, I tried my best to explain it. But I think I have to do something here. Maybe I have to do another tutorial on this. I have to do another tutorial on how to cornrow with a needle. Yes, guys. So now once you get to the end, you secure the end. This is how you do it. You wrap the wool around the hair like 2 or 3 times, then you knot it and cut off the excess wool. So now I will start again. I've sectioned the hair I will be working with, then I will make a space in between the hair. Look at, I made a space. Now I'll place my wool into it, then I will cover it. Then I will hold the hair. No, don't use the sharp end, please. Use the head of the needle. Yes, guys, that's where you will be using. Pass the needle through a tiny part of the hair from one point all the way to the other point. Do this twice to secure the beginning. And after this, now you have to pass it from one end to the middle. At first, it won't be clear. It won't be so easy now, but keep doing it so that as you move, you will start to see your work. You start to see what you're doing. Yes. From one end to the middle, you bring out the wool, then you pass it from the other end. You pass it from the other end. That's from here to the middle. Like I said, you don't pass the needle from one end all the way to the other end. No, you only do that when you are starting. So you continue. You pass the needle from one end to the middle, then from the other end to the middle. Guys, it may seem as if what I'm doing is not clear because I'm using black wool on a black hair. Like I said earlier, I think I have to do another ultimate tutorial on this using a colorful wool or a colorful yarn thread. Yes, so that as I will be making the stitching, you will be seeing what I'm making. Yes, guys, I think that's what I have to do. Yes, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, so that when the ultimate tutorial will be up, you will be notified, okay guys, so that you also get to be notified whenever I upload any of my videos. Okay guys, please do subscribe. Okay, so we keep moving from one end to the middle. Let's say from the left hand side to the middle, then from the right hand side to the middle. Okay, remember, it's not from one end all the way to the other end. No, it's from one end to the middle, then from the other end to the middle, and you don't give too much gap so that your work will be neat. Yes guys, so you continue to do this until you get to the end of the hair. Okay, so after this one, I will show you guys one more time on how to do this. Okay guys, So now it's time to knot it. I will just go around the hair once, then I will knot it. Then using my scissors, I will cut off the excess wool. Then I sectioned another part of hair and I placed my wool into the hair. Then look carefully now. Now I'll pass the needle from one end all the way to the other end. Then I'll pass it again to secure it. Then after that, I will now pass it from one end to the middle. Then from the other end to the middle again. Now I'll continue stitching from one end to the middle. Then from the other end to the middle. Guys, let me know, is this not easy to do? This is super easy to make, guys. Like I said, anybody can do this. Yes, you don't need to learn how to cornrow for you to be able to do this. No, guys, you don't need to, okay? So you continue to stitch the hair from one end to the middle, from the other end to the middle. Remember, don't give too much space so that your work will be neat. Okay, guys? You can make this hair on anybody. Yes, you can make this hair on anybody. The reason is because it's so pain-free. It's not painful at all. Yes, it's not painful. But actually, if you drag the wool so tight, I think it will be painful. But the way I'm doing it is not painful. Yes, as you can see, my daughter is not even feeling it. So guys, this hairstyle is the bomb. Yes, and it's a protective hairstyle. Yes. So guys, the end of the hair, I won't be leaving it this way. I still have some work to do at the end of the hair. So please stay tuned. Don't fast forward this video so that you don't get to miss out on any step I'll be taking. Don't fast forward this video. Okay, guys. Well guys, we are done with the hair. So let me show you the style you can be rocking this hair with. You as an adult or as a child, you can rock this hair with a hair bun on it. Yes, but we won't be using this because we are making a back to school hairstyle. Yes, so we won't be needing this hair bun. I removed it because we won't be needing it. I just showed you the style you as an adult you can rock the hairstyle with. So now I'll be attaching a little extension at the tip of the hair. Then I'll wrap it around the hair. Then I'll divide the extension. Then I will braid the hair. Yes, guys. Because we are making back to school hairstyle. Yes, that's why we won't be using that hair bun. But if not, that hair bun is also super cute on it. Now I'll be adding beads to beautify the hair. And once that is done, I will use rubber to secure the end. I will tie rubber at the end. Then I'll cut off the excess extension. And we are done making the hair. Look at our hair now, so beautiful. Guys, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video. Please, we are begging, okay? See you all in our next video. Bye.